Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from an ordinary marker. Remove the ink cartridge, we don't need it. Next, we measure the key. We mark all the measurements on our marker. Using a utility knife, you need to make a hole. All the rough edges need to be smoothed out with a file. Below, you need to make another 4 mm hole. Next, we need 3 BC, 547 transistors. A 1mho 1Co 220O resistor plus an LED and a 6-to-12-5 battery. Now, assemble everything as shown on the screen. Here are all these components. I also took a piece of a mounting board. I built everything on the board, but it's better to do it with point-to-point wiring. Using tweezers, you need to mount the LED into the hole. Then per the diagram, solder it to the board. Solder a wire to the board to serve as the antenna. Next, solder the button battery to the board as shown in the diagram. Soldering's done, now just install everything into the marker. Next, take the headphone jack and solder it to the wire. Here's the sleek device we made. Well, now let's test it. If the LED lights up, it means the cable is live. This device can also locate wall wiring. This is the tool we ended up with. If you liked this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, goodbye.